It's kind of a stuffed chicken.
Stuffed chicken. So you chicken tender cut the half, but make sure have a connection. Over here have a connection like this. Yeah.
Cut it in half, but only partially through. Leave them connected.
Yeah, like this.
Much like you do when you fillet something. And these are chicken tenders like you can get at Costco. They were frozen. Thaw them out and dry them off. Pat them dry. And we're going to fill them with ume boshi.
The Japanese pickle plum. And you take out the seed inside. See?
Yep.
The seed and no more seed.
Traditional Japanese ume boshi or pickled plum.
That you can find at any store. And you chop it. And make really like a paste.
Plum paste. Which you can also buy in the store already.
Yeah, in
some stores.
Yeah. Okay, you put that.
Once you made all your plum paste, you use about 1 plum.
In one chicken.
Yeah. So that took 4 plums all smashed together.
And you put the chicken like, ume paste like this.
Kind of on one side.
Yeah, only one side.
The other one you're going to pull over the top.
Yeah. Like sour.
Yeah, ume boshi is sour, but that's a part of what makes this particular dish taste good. Kind of like you're putting peanut butter on half of a chicken tender. Or any paste.
Okay, this one Japanese shiso, but you can use the basil, fresh basil, and they put it right here.
Take a leaf, tear it in half.
Yeah, and they put it right here. Some is small, so I put a little bit more.
Enough to cover it.
Okay, and then you're gonna close.
Oh, it's gonna go to sleep. You're gonna cover it up. Good night.
Okay, cover up that. This is the chicken. Cover up that. Okay, and
What happens next?
cornstarch.
Cornstarch happens.
Yeah, put the cornstarch.
Coat it in cornstarch evenly and completely. Try not to leave any spots untouched. And you put the chicken in the skillet. First you heat about 1/8 of an inch of oil in the bottom of the skillet. In our case, we are using a small skillet today, so we'll cook them 2 at a time. About how long you think we cook them?
The white one, the cornstarch. This is a getting white. That's too hot. Then 5 minutes, kana? Because this is chicken cooked fast. Yeah.
Okay. Now they won't exactly turn brown. In fact, if they have been in so long as to turn brown, then they've cooked too long.
Cut it too hot.
And you can see some of the ume is falling out.
Yeah.
And you can see how not brown they should be. And here's what the finished product looks like. As you can see, they're still white on the outside, just a tiny touch of brown. If they were completely brown, you would have overcooked it. Enjoy Kyoko's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.